Hey everyone, my name's Tyler and today I'm going to be checking out this deadbolt lock. So this is awesome. I got this in a 3-pack and what's really great is they're all keyed alike and they each come with 3 keys. So what that means is every single key is going to work in all 3 of the locks on all my doors, and at the same time I have 9 duplicates of the same key, so I'm not going to be going off and making copies anytime soon, if at all. What I really like about this is it's got a nice nickel plate finish and you can get them in different colors if you need to. So if you need to change your locks on multiple doors and you want them to all work on the same key, such as your front door, side door, back door, garage door, shed door, anything in between, this is a great option to go with. You can get them in single packs, 3 packs, 2 packs. I think they even go up to 5 if not more. I'm even using these locks up in the north, and what's really great about them is I have 0 freezing issues, 0 moisture issues. My key always goes in nicely, it always turns very nicely. So I'm really happy with the quality of these. It's a really solid lock and I couldn't ask for more out of it. So if you need to get a good deadbolt lock for your front door or any other door, I highly recommend you check this one out. It's a really great option.